got it. 522-176 Mike, Orange County.
All right, 176, thanks for rolling down here. I don't hear the traffic that you all are hearing, I think, on 39, on 395. So roll down here. I can hear you now, and I hope you've got it's more clear for you as well. Go ahead.
Roger, roger. Well, I wasn't hearing anything that maybe 944 was hearing. He's a little bit out in the high desert there. So, yeah, you know, you move a mile or two one way and you can hear things that other people don't. But yeah, all I heard on 39.5 was you, but sounded real good. I was thinking about you when I heard that tornado roll through Bowling Green there, QSL.
Well, we appreciate all those thoughts. We had several people come back to us about that because we're probably 30 miles away from the area that was hit. It was a long area down there, and a lot of people, I was thinking about them today because it's raining today, and a lot of places that we work down there, there's no roof if the house was still standing, and things like that, and it's not over. Just because I'm sitting here by a warm fire tonight, it's not over for them, and my heart is with them. Go ahead.
Ah, roger on that. Well, yeah, we didn't know exactly. We just knew, you know, you use Bowling Green, so yeah, we just saw that area got hit, and you know, I heard you out here just a few minutes ago, and I thought, okay, well, I know you're all right, so that's good. I was gonna see if maybe Nick, or not Nick, old Nick, or Rick 777 had heard from you, but I hadn't had a chance. I was traveling the last week, but you sounded real good. I think you got the 7300 out there, and we're running a little Anytone Quad 6 there, QSL.
It is doing a great job for you, and the audio is great. I think the last over was 5.7, but I've got such a good clear audio on you tonight. And we both appreciate your all's thoughts. It's very touching yesterday to have several people out in California reaching out, making sure that we were okay. And we really appreciate that a whole lot. Thank you. Go ahead.
Roger. Yeah, I don't know. I was on the flat side and I flipped over to the vertical. I don't know if it's any better or not. Just running about 200 watts out behind the radio here. So, all right. Well, good to hear you out there. Thanks for taking my call and rolling down here to 390. Always great to make a contact with you back that way. Great.